Good morning dear students. Welcome back to computer science class. In previous classes we have completed our first chapter, that is evolution of computers. I hope all of you have understood that and learned that. Today we are going to start our second chapter, that is more on Windows 7. In this chapter we will study about changing desktop, background, screensaver, window color, desktop theme, gadget, date and time. Now let us start the chapter. Students, you know that Windows 7 is an operating system. Then what do you mean by an operating system? An operating system acts as an interface or medium or link between users and hardware. Students, you know that what is hardware and software. Hardware is the physical components of the computer and software is a set of instructions given to the computer what to do. So, operating system is a system software of a computer. It contains a set of specific instructions that tells the computer to what to do. Operating system loads into computer when we turn on or switch on the computer. The process of loading of the operating system is called booting. You know that when we switch on the computer, it will take some time to display the desktop because it is loading the operating system into the computer memory. So what is booting? The process of loading of the operating system is called booting. After booting, the desktop of Windows will appear on the screen. Windows desktop has a default appearance and we can change it as we like. So students, in this chapter we will learn different ways to change our computer's desktop and learn how to do it. Firstly, let us study how to change the desktop background. Students, you know that when the desktop is displayed on the screen with a color or picture, and that is called the background of desktop. So what is a background? A background is a graphical image that appears as a backdrop of the GUI desktop, which means background is a graphical image or picture which can be changed according to the user's interest. Background of desktop is also known as wallpaper. Now let us study about how to change the desktop background. Firstly, right click on empty part of the desktop, then there will display a drop down menu. Secondly, click on personalize option of that menu, then control panel's personalize pan will appear on the screen. Then click on the desktop background option from that, and then there will display a lot of default Microsoft Windows backgrounds, and select one desired picture from that, and click on save changes option to apply the background. If the user want to display other pictures as desktop background, then click on the browse button to access pictures from the computer device or from the picture folder. Okay students, you got it? Now you will be able to change the background of your computer desktop. So children, you have to read the chapter carefully. Okay, thank you.